Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're talking about 6 mistakes new cruisers make, so let's avoid them if you're going on your first cruise. Now, if you don't know how to plan for your cruise or what to pack for your cruise, I have a free cruise essentials checklist along with the ultimate cruise guide bundle. Number 1, overpacking. Y'all, it is so easy to overpack for a cruise. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I broke my suitcase handle on one of my cruises because I packed so much, and that was actually me consolidating. You do not need 50 outfits for a 5-day cruise, y'all. You just don't need it. You don't need it. So I have a 3-in-1 packing method that I like to follow that kind of just at least helps consolidate some, if not all, when it comes to packing. And you can find this 3-in-1 method in my Ultimate Cruise Guide bundle. So here's the method. Take the number of days of your cruise and times it by 3. And what you get from that equation is going to be the maximum, I'm going to say that again, maximum number of outfits that you need for your cruise. For example, 5-day cruise, times that by 3, you get 15 outfits. Now, that does not mean 15 new outfits, okay? When you're on a cruise, you're gonna wear 2 outfits max each day, unless you have like an accident, or if you go swimming or whatever the case may be. Most likely you're gonna be in 2 outfits a day, but sometimes it could be 3. You're gonna plan your outfits like this: day, dinner, and night. And to help consolidate even more, get some packing cubes. And that way you'll have a packing cube for your day outfits, night outfits, dinner outfits, a cube for swimwear and cover-ups, and then undies and PJs. Simple. And now you're completely packed and ready to go. Number 2, flying in on embarkation day. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. I get a lot of comments of people being like, oh, I got a flight for the morning of my embarkation day, the morning I'm supposed to get on my cruise, the afternoon I'm supposed to get on my cruise. I got a flight that's supposed to land at 1 o'clock and I'm supposed to be on the boat for 2:30. This is the worst time to do any kind of same day flight, whether it be arriving to your port or leaving your port. Flights are getting delayed and canceled all the time, and on top of that, traffic is unpredictable. You don't want a chance missing your ship because of a same day flight. One thing about it, they're gonna leave you. And if you get left by your cruise ship, your only option is to fly to the port that you're supposed to be cruising to. Number 3, overspending. Overspending is so easy to do, okay? Listen to me good. That Sign and Sell card is not an Amex credit card, okay? Going on a cruise blindly is going to end in overspending. There are so many purchases that you can make both on and off the ship. And if you don't know about any of that, you're gonna go crazy. It's really easy to do. So to help you guys avoid overspending, let's do this. First, research your ship. Find out everything your ship has to offer, both included and not included, and write down what you want to participate in. That way, you know how much money that you would like to spend on your ship. And do the same with your port. What do you want to do in port? What excursion you want to do? What restaurants do you want to go to? What shops do you want to go to? Research all of these things and come up with the budget. And once you set that budget, do your best to stick to that budget. And one way you can do that is by checking your account daily while you're on the ship. And speaking of ports, number 4, not planning your port days. Now, don't get me wrong. You can absolutely get off on a port and just wing it and just be on vibes and have a great day. But personally, I believe that's not the best option. The biggest thing is if you decide to purchase an excursion the same day that you go into port, you do not have enough information on how long it's going to take you to get to that excursion, how long that excursion is going to last, how long it's going to take to get back to the ship after that excursion. And it's really tricky. And again, they will leave you. So again, plan ahead. Figure out what excursions you want to do, whether you book it through the cruise line or you book it independently. And if you book it through the cruise, most likely they're not going to leave you. They're going to secure that place for you. If that excursion goes over time, you will not get left by your ship. But if you book independently, make sure to research how long it's going to take to get to that excursion, whatever the means are, how long that excursion will last, and how long will it take to get back from that excursion. My rule of thumb is make sure that you're back within an hour to an hour and a half before ship time. Number 5, overdoing it on the drinks. If you have purchased the drink package, then sometimes people take that drink package as a challenge. Now, some ships have unlimited alcohol beverages. Other ships have a cap, like 15 or so. So if it's 15 drinks a day, they're going to give 15 drinks every single day. And what happens is you hit that 15 drink limit and then you're drunk and you're hungover and the next day you're just recovering. And just like that, you have missed an entire day of your cruise because you went too crazy on the drinks. So instead of doing that, pace yourself, okay? So no rush. There is no reward if you hit your limit on your drink package every single night. And last but not least, number 6, not notifying your bank that you're traveling internationally. These ports are out of the US. So if you're traveling and spending in these ports, that could send a potential red flag to your bank. And with that, you can run into international fees or your bank putting a hold on your account altogether. So to avoid all that, just notify your bank that you are traveling out of the country for X amount of days, blah, blah, blah. So they know that when those international fees or those international charges hit your account, it's not fraudulent. And you can also bring cash and small bills. That way, if you want to just use cash in the ports instead of running your card, you can do that, as well as other things. And I'll get to that in a different video. But that is all I got for you guys today. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any tips for new cruisers, comment down below and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.